Hi, my name is Nelton Abing, and I am a social media marketing professional passionate about helping businesses grow their online presence. I specialize in creating content that doesn't just look good, but also it connects with audiences, builds trust, and drives results. In my career, I've worked across government, private companies, and client based projects, gaining hands on experience in content creation, campaign management, and digital communication. At the Provincial Information Office, I wrote news articles, press releases, and managed multimedia coverage that boosted public engagement across official channels. With the Public Employment Service Office, I managed social media campaigns that promoted job fairs, scholarships, and livelihood programs directly connecting thousands of youth and job seekers to opportunities. I also promoted an online radio platform, handling content creation, page management, and coordination, which kept audiences consistently engaged and informed. Beyond social media, I have experience in customer service and sales, which sharpened my skills in building relationships, standing customer needs, and communicating value effectively. Across all these roles, I have proven my ability to create strategies, manage campaigns, and deliver measurable impact. My core strengths include being detail oriented, patient, and resourceful with a positive outlook that helps me thrive under pressure. I am proficient in tools such as Meta Business Suite, Canva, CapCut, Slack, Asana, Zoom, Calendly, and Google Workspace. These allow me to efficiently plan content calendars, design visuals, analyze performance, and collaborate with teams. I see myself contributing to a company by helping it stand out online, connect authentically with its audience, and turn visibility into growth. My goal is not just to manage social media, but to create strategies that strengthen brand identity and deliver long term results. Thank you for taking the time to get to know me. I look forward to the opportunity to bring my creativity, marketing expertise, and results driven mindset to your team. Again, my name is Dalton, and I'm ready to help your brand grow.